Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture about the cell. I'm RKL Veerasinghe. So today we're gonna study a little bit about the basics of cellular biology that helps to understand about the cell function, metabolism and transportation across the cell membrane. So just to begin it, let's take a little review here. A typical animal cell. So here I put the image of a typical animal cell and try to remember each organelle with their name from A to M. So I will give you 30 seconds. I hope that you all are done. So let's begin with A. A is microvilli. Majorly small intestinal epithelial cells has microvilli. So those are like finger-like structures of the cell. So B is microfilaments, which help to organize structure of the cell. And the C is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the surface of is bound with ribosome. So then it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. The D is nucleus, that is the operating unit of the cell. So E is the nucleolus, that is the center part of nucleus. And the F is cytoplasm, which make the structure of the cell and made out of microfilaments. And G is the Golgi body. H is outer covering of the cell called cell membrane or plasma membrane that help to move water and electrolyte from the cell and into the cell. So I is vacuole. J is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And K is power plant for the cell called mitochondria, and it involves in developing energy. So that is very important for the cell. So L is ribosomes and M is digestive organs called lysosomes. This is the neuron. Here I am not going to explain the structure, just take an idea. So as you can see, there are a higher amount of mitochondria in it. So because the function of the neuron is send and receive signals from the brain, this function occurs by consuming energy. In order to mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are highly important for the function. And also here I have labeled dendrites, and neuron can receive signal via those root-like structures, and those are called dendrites.